question. Right front row, right here.
Firearm Freedom Act.
Right.
That you're working on.
Yeah, Firearm Freedom Act was the question. For those of you that know me, most of my legislation is pretty sweeping reform legislation, and this is another reform legislation. I'm one of the elected officials that truly understands what the Second Amendment is all about. Let me tell you what it's not about. It's not about a turkey shoot. It's not about quail hunting. It's really not even about me being able to protect myself from you, and vice versa. The Second Amendment says you and I have the right to bear arms, just in case our government gets out of control. Y'all like the Second Amendment? Then you're going to like my bill. It's good to know. It's called the Firearms Freedom Protection Act. Any gun, ammunition, parts, assemble, anything made in the state of Oklahoma will be immune from federal regulations and taxes.